and welcome in to be our guest. You know, when you want to have your house looking the best, what you want to be able to do is start first and foremost with floor coverings. And we've got a very special guest today, Evan Milan, and you're with Georgia Floors Rep. Welcome to the show, buddy.
Thank you for having me.
We've had all the other folks on there, and they said, finally, we need Evan here.
Yes, sir.
So we brought you in today. And you, of course, you work in sales, but more importantly, you're able to go in and do some measurements and make sure that the old adage, measure twice, cut once, right?
That's right.
And you do the same thing. What's popular now? There's some new woods that are popular.
So laminate wood's making a big comeback. It's the manufacturing process has come a long way. Looks very real, and it's also very scratch resistant and pet resistant, child resistant,
Nice.
which is very important for people with families, and it's topically waterproof.
And you said now there's even a thicker, what is it?
Yeah, we have some new WPCs in stock right now. It's
So
a
WPC would stand for
wood polymer core.
wood polymer core,
Yes, sir.
okay?
It's just a thicker, more forgiving vinyl plank, and it's made to last longer and stand over time.
And of course, the vinyl planks, you can just about use them in any room in the house now, can't you?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, and more people are putting them out in the bedrooms, aren't they?
Yes.
Yep. And then, of course, then if you have them in a bedroom, you people have got something else that you can do to put over it, the same way we have here,
Some beautiful area rugs.
area rugs.
Yep.
You've got a good selection, don't you?
Oh, absolutely.
And from the remnants that are inside the store, how does that work if you have a remnant?
Well, we sell them as one piece. We can always cut them down to the size of the rug that you desire and have somebody sew an edge on it and turn it into an area rug for you.
And you've got probably one of the best in the business, don't you?
We got plenty of them.
That are doing. They've been doing it for quite some time.
Yes, sir. We got Brother Dave. He does all of our rugs and does a really good job with them.
So, do you work in any other areas of the business besides just floors, or is your specialty floors?
Just specialty floors.
You're the floor guy.
Yes, sir.
And it can be either carpet or wood, can it?
Hard surface or carpet, and we do residential and commercial.
And the carpeting now, because you're Georgia Floors Direct, you're buying direct from the factory. You've got a warehouse there, don't you?
We have a huge warehouse stocked with inventory.
And it's so visitors can come in, they can look at some samples in front, but then obviously you can go to the back and pull it down and even spread it out and get a better idea.
Oh yeah, we do that all the time.
And of course, most of the rugs, they're now beginning to be where they're pet friendly, right?
Absolutely, yes, sir.
So because they're stain resistant and everything they do. So from the time that a person would come in and choose what they're going to do till they can get it installed, you can do it pretty quick, can't you?
Typically a week and a half to 2 weeks. Sometimes if it's in stock, even sooner than that.
And of course, if it's not in stock, you can order it and get it in pretty quick too.
Exactly, yes, sir.
Because it comes from
Straight from the factory.
And most of the factories in Georgia now, or are they all over?
Most of them are in Georgia. There's a few in other states, but mainly everything that we order comes from the southeast.
And Georgia Floors Direct, you're open 6 days a week.
6 days a week.
Closed on Sunday from 9 in the morning until 5 at night.
That's correct.
And you're right across from Lowe's.
Right across. We get a lot of business from them.
I can imagine you do. Because the biggest thing about it is obviously they do sell some. Do they still sell rugs in Lowe's? Rugs and carpet?
I believe so.
I think they do different types of things, but your people, and they call it the merry men, the flooriers, you guys have been in the business and worked together and have done it for many, many years.
Yes, sir.
50 years in Montgomery.
At least.
Yep. Anything you'd like to tell the viewers?
Just come in and see us. We're right, like he said, right across from the Lowe's on the Boulevard, and we'd love to help you out with your flooring project.
That'd be great. Well, thank you so much. And remember, Georgia Floors Direct's been here for a long time. Home-owned and operated. Very important to remember that. They're very active in the community. And we'll be right back right after this.